How to convert to PDF and password protect your ebook. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps in converting your Word document to PDF, as well as password protecting your completed ebook. The first step is to head to the top of your document and click on File. Then there will be a number of options for you to choose from. Select Export. When you have clicked on Export, you will then have two options, which is Create PDF XPS Document and Change File Type. Select Create PDF XPS Document. A window will pop up once you have clicked on the selection. This window will enable you to select where you want to save your exported file. To make it easier for you to search for your file, I recommend you save it on your desktop. The next step is to password protect your ebook. You can see on the right-hand side of the pop-up window there is an Options button. Click on it and a small pop-up window will appear. Under PDF Options, tick on the box that says Encrypt the document with a password. Then click OK. A window will pop up asking you for your password. Type in your preferred password and re-enter your password. When you are done, click OK. Then proceed to click Publish. Your document is now saved in PDF version and is secured. I recommend that you cross-check your saved document. When you open your document, a password will be required before you can view the content. When you have typed in your password correctly, you can then access your document and its full content.